Hey, this is Vanna from DevRel at GraphGrid. In this video, I'll be showing you some Docker commands, scripts, and tips to use while using GraphGrid CDP. First, we'll walk through some useful Docker commands to know. This one is really useful to use after just starting up the platform. This command is docker ps-a. If you want to ensure that everything is running correctly, you can run this command to see which containers are running and if any have exited. For example, this command returns the module or service's container ID along with how long it's been up or if it's exited. If a module isn't working as expected, run docker PSA to ensure that all necessary dependencies are running. And note that if containers are exiting quite often, you may need to update your Docker memory settings. The next useful Docker command is docker-compose logs-f and then the module name you want to get the logs for. Run this command if you want to get and follow the logs of a particular module. For example, docker-compose logs-f for follow, and then the name of the module. And here our Fuse logs are telling us that Fuse exited, which we knew from before when we ran our docker ps-a command. This command is really helpful for debugging or just seeing where a module is at in its processes. The final Docker command that I'll share with you is docker network prune. There is a common error on startup that's thrown when the max amount of Docker networks are in use. Docker network prune removes all unused Docker networks. You'll be prompted if you want to continue. Say yes, and all unused Docker networks will be pruned. Next, I'll share some tips about the bin/GraphGrid script. You're probably already familiar with the install and start script, but the script also supports commands like stop and restart. For more information, run the script with the help command. The script also supports stopping and starting individual modules. So for example, if you only wanted to start up manager and security, you could run bin GraphGrid start manager security. This command will start only those two modules and any dependencies that they rely on. This is covered in the docs, but I wanted to note that only starting up a few services will likely cause modules to spam the Docker logs with messages like this. This won't cause any problems with the modules running and can be easily resolved by starting up Kibana and the APM server. And that's all I have for this video. I hope you learned some helpful Docker commands, scripts, and tips to use with GraphGrid CDP. If you haven't already downloaded CDP, head over to graphgrid.com to download it for free. If you'd like more information in general about GraphGrid CDP, check out the GraphGrid doc site. Links will be in the description below. Up next, we have a series of tutorial content lined up, so be sure to look out for more videos. In the meantime, you can head over to the GraphGrid community subreddit. There, you can ask questions, discuss the platform, or chat with other members in the GraphGrid lounge. You can also join our community on Discord to chat live about the platform, or follow us on Twitter to get notifications about new content and platform news. And last but not least, subscribe to us on YouTube. That'll conclude it for this video. Thanks for watching, and happy graphing!